Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the brake lights is located. You guys have up to 3 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the brake light fuse, where it's located, well, let's demonstrate on 2015 Honda CRV that we have right here guys. That Honda, you have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them today, by the way. We will start with the interior one. It's on the driver's side under the dash guys, okay. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right there above the pedals, look in the corner on the left side, all the way upside down. You will see a fuse box layout just like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 2 right here, 10 fuse. After that you will need to check one more fuse guys, and we're talking about fuse number 34, that one right here, 10 fuse. Now we need to close that fuse box and we need to go to the engine fuse box under the hood. That's a fuse box right here. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout just like this one here. This will be towards the front of the CRV, this will be towards the windshield. Now here we have another fuse that we need to check guys, okay, specifically for the brake lights. And if you start, okay, on this side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That fuse right here, 20 fuse, that's the one for the brake lights that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.